So there was the idea to create a new enlarger because the last evolution on horizontal enlargers is something like 40 years ago. And so we thought, what could we do, what could we improve compared to the enlargers available on the market until now. We would like to skip the rails. That was one of the main reasons why we made a new design, because I myself visited a customer in Vancouver some years ago, and I struggled sometimes over the rails because I was not very familiar with that, and in the darkroom you can't see them very well, and that was in my mind when we had the first discussions about the new enlarger.
My work, especially on this enlarger, was the mechanical construction from the ground, from this set of materials, aluminum we built for the base, and up till the rails, up till the mechanic for the light source and for the negative standards and for the objective standards. All the features like there's a brake inside for when you lift it down, for remove the negative, that you have a brake when you turn from portrait to horizontal, and all this mechanics was my part to develop it, and I got a big luck. I could manufacturing these parts by myself at the company from my friend. So we have short ways, no long ways. We have not to wait a long time for till parts coming back, and we are just in time. And all the ideas we have brainstormings, Jürgen and me, and then we will have it brings very quickly to positive success.
The enlarger itself consists out of 4 main parts. The base, of course, which have approximately a weight of also 150 kilograms, maybe slightly more, 180 or so. And then on that base you will find 3 stations, or can also call it the standards. One for the lens, for the lens plate, which is not so heavy, approximately 30 kilos.
I talked about from materials we use, like in the Formula 1 race cars, or material came from aerospace, but this enlarger is, be sure, not a Formula race car. It is, and it has to be, an enlarger. Of course, it's for fine artworks.
We like to make some more tests, but finally it should be possible to move the enlarger towards a distance of 5 meters within something like 1 minute.
I'm very proud about of the light source. Of course, we got the different movements in this part. You have to lay it down for better handling, for bring the film on the base. And when you lift up heavy weights like 150 kilograms, and you've been underneath, I say underneath 45 degrees, they will sled you away on the rails down. And there I got an idea. We put it on a gear on the left side, and this gear clicks in, and you will turn it, and it rolls in the gear. It can't move out of the way from you. There's no other parts, maybe from different countries, all handmade, handcrafted here in Germany, and with highest modern machines, CNC controlled machines. So we will have this quality, and the surfaces on these base plates and all surfaces, no scratches, nothing, and nothing is gets troubled by transport. So we have it all in one hand.
in such a big project, sometimes you make wrong decisions and something fails also. And one of the things we laughed about was when the machine moves the first time up and down and the electronics have not been completed. One motor sticks to the work and stops the work and sticks in one position, and then the enlarger starts to tilt more and more, and of course we hit the emergency stop. But when we look, when we realized that the enlarger was not in a dangerous position, but let's say tilted by about 6 or 7 degrees, it looks really terrible. And after the first few seconds, where everyone was like stone, then we said, and we laughed a lot about that. Real work took something like 1.5 years now. So we started 19 months ago with the real work. But the most interesting thing in that project was the cooperation with my colleagues and with the customers. So just to improve the system while we did the design, to optimize it in the discussions with the customers, and that's the main interesting thing in the project. Just to focus on making something like a perfect thing. That's our idea in almost all of our products, but especially in that special product.
I by myself, I wish all the best for Art Photo of St. Petersburg, that these boys have a lot of success with this machine and will use this machine as much as possible and try out everything, and I think it will be a very, very great business with this machine, work with this machine.
You have a lot of fun in working with our enlarger, so that it is not only a technical machine, it's an improvement in your life, in your working life, to create perfect prints and have a lot of fun with that.